This is what we're doing. In case you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, we are doing leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. Man, this griddle is hot today because it's hot outside. What I say? We're doing a pizza with leftover macaroni and cheese, Stouffer's, and some hamburger. And we're going to put that on a bobbly pizza crust. And we're going to put it in the pit boss to cook it. Kind of like an outdoor oven. Because I'm poor guy outdoor cooking. So we just got some 80-20 meat. We already pre-started all this goodness. So we don't have to mess around. That's pretty close to being done. I'm going to turn that burner off, turn that burner off. And then we're going to take the macaroni and cheese. We're going to put it on the pizza. We're going to take the hamburger. We're going to put it on the pizza. And we're going to put some more cheese on all of it. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Leftovers. Yes, indeed. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Let me show you. Come on over here, Tori. We got... Yeah, be careful of the dogs. So here's that bobbly. You ever seen it? I don't know. We use it once in a while. You can go ahead and make your own pizza crust, but we're just doing this just for lunch. I can't get this open. Bear with me, please. There we go. And these are pretty good. They're a little costly. I'm ripping it. There we go. Set that over there. All right, I'm going to turn this all off because everything's cooked. Macaroni and cheese is sticking to the Blackstone a little bit. No problem. No problem. I didn't put down any oil. It'll be okay because the Blackstone will come up nice and clean when I get done. Okay, we got everything off there. we kind of struggled with what we would put because you're not going to put pizza sauce on here. So Don came up with the idea, and Aiden made this garlic butter with some herbs, some garlic, and some butter. We're going to go ahead and lay that down. Yeah, let's give it a nice coating. And we're going to do it right on this pizza stone because the pizza stone is going to go right into the pit boss. I did have some wood chips in there, but I don't think it really needs this smoke. And I had it set at 250. And we just want to warm everything up. That's all we're doing. So there we go. There is a lot. Oh, that looks very good. Smells delicious. And thank you, Aiden, for making that. So let's go ahead and grab some macaroni and cheese and see if we can do this. See how it crisps up real nice? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to take that and we're going to put it on the pizza. I hope I did enough of it. Sure I did. I know what I'm doing. Because we do this all the time. Actually, never done this. It looks good already, actually.
I would eat it like that.
Honey, will you do me a big favor?
Yeah.
Will you grab that shredded cheddar? Or somebody? I forgot that. Oh, one thing I was going to do. We can still do it. And I completely forgot. I was going to add some of this cheesesteak to the meat. We can still do it, right? If I can open it. Yeah, because that's all cooked up. Let's go ahead and add some of that to it. Just for a little bit more flavor. Here you go, honey. Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you very much. Oh, you can just set it right there for now. So there's our macaroni and cheese. It already looks really good. Let's take some of our hamburger. Now, originally I thought, should we mix this together? And I thought that wouldn't be very pleasing to the senses. This.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Looks better.
That looks good.
Oh, darn it. Darn it, I dropped a piece of hamburger. I wonder if one of the dogs will get it. Okay, we don't want to do too much hamburger. I think that is a good ratio right there.
Yeah, I think perfect.
Okay, then we're going to grab some Great Value shredded cheddar. Hello, Ropey. Hello, Ropey. Oops. Don't pay attention to that dog. He's got shallot and cheese, and he doesn't mind. Oh, look at this. I'm telling you what, man, this looks good. Hey, I'm trying to do a video, bro. Back off, bro. A pickup truck in Oklahoma? That's something new. Yeah, look at this. More cheese. Absolutely. Yeah. This is just going to be our lunch on a Saturday afternoon. Man, I hope my mic is on.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I think that's enough. Tori,
Rob,
how you doing?
you're doing great.
Okay, bring it around here, Tori. Bring it around here, and we'll put this in the pit boss. Got this little pizza stone. Don said, that pizza stone's not going to fit. Well, I have 3 pizzas. I know. I have 3 pizza stones. And so this one actually does fit perfect. All right, so I got it set at 250. I got some water in there in the water pan just to keep it. As you can see, it's not generating smoke, and I'm fine with that. We're just going to cook this up like it's a little oven. So, hey, you two stop messing around. Okay. So we'll cook it, see how long it takes, and then we'll bring it in the house and put some condiments on it. Eat it up.
Eat it up, eat it up.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything else? That's about it. All right. I'll let you know how long it takes. We'll slice it up and eat it when we come back. How you making out? Peace. There it is.
Dun, 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 dun.
Looks good. Let's get a piece. Oh yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Ooh. It stayed pretty moist and stuff. Yeah, I said moist. I'm going with mustard. Because it's cheese. What do we call this?
Mac and cheeseburger pizza.
Mac and cheeseburger pizza with leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. Some ground beef, the garlic butter, and a little bit of mustard.
Cheers.
Took about 25 minutes out there. Kinda. Cheers. Mm. Un momento. That's fantastic.
Is it good?
Yeah. We're gonna eat this for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And we're real hungry. That is
Yeah.
actually very, very good.
It looks good.
What a great idea I came up with. I'm fantastic.
You're
Yeah,
wonderful.
you're so
Yeah,
cool.
so wonderful. All right, that's what we got for you. That's very good. That's very good. Make a macaroni and cheeseburger pizza yourself if you want to.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
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 Poor guy signing off. Peace.